Dear community, welcome. Nice to see all of you here. We start our live session. What would be today's topic? We will cover top coins. I will do analysis for you where I would like to take a trade. Also, we will discuss why Bitcoin got dropped, why Ethereum did massive drop, what could be potential future good trades. At this moment, I ask you to rate audio quality from 1 to 10, right, please, about audio quality, and let's go on. Let me also remind to our community that we had started. Okay, I remind to everyone that we had started, and let's go. Once more, what would be today's topic? We will cover top coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many other top coins. I see 10 of 10, good. 10 of 10, good to be here, nice to see you. 10 of 10. Also, please share with me where you're from and what is your trading experience. For me, it's always interesting to hear your geography, where you're from, and how long you've been in trading. Okay. I think every person that had desire to be here already here. Let's do analysis. As always, let's start that analysis from Bitcoin, and after that, let's go to other top coins. What you do, also remember a few rules regarding our stream. First, I will reply to you only about a topic that I am in at this moment. Because I will reply only to questions that, for example, we do BTC analysis, ask questions about BTC analysis. At the end of the stream, there would be like a Q&A session. You can ask anything you would like regarding trading. Some of you say not hearing. Most of people told me that the audio is good. Once more, rate audio. Bulgaria, Indonesia, Poland, India, from Pakistan. Smash the like button for Yuri. Thank you. Thank you. Istanbul, Canada, Uri, UK. Uri, how is UK these days? Good audio, good. Okay, good. Okay. Ukraine. We love Ukraine. Germany, all good. Let's start from Bitcoin. The main reason why we analyze Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is our leader. Because of Bitcoin, the movements happens. About BTC, you need to know. Let's start from this plan. You can see here, Sunday, 2nd of February, I shared this plan about potential BTC drop because what was the main reason why BTC did drop? Because there was a lot of liquidity that were accumulated at high. You need to know when such news appears like Trump in office. It is exactly a moment when Trump entered office. You can see that all of this volume were accumulated for short, and BTC dropped until this previous value area low. This key level 92 played out as a powerful support area. Plus, at that support area, what appeared a massive liquidation. You can see at that moment, delta were minus 1 billion, massive volume spike, and big drop of open interest. It means some bulls got liquidated exactly here, and that was a local bottom. After that, you can see Bitcoin did rise. I waited honestly here. I hoped that BTC before any rise would take low, but BTC instead of it just started rise without any pullback. You can see here. BTC retested at this moment value area low of previous range and bounced from this level. Main problem at this moment is that Bitcoin right now in the middle of this range. Honestly, do you know what this means? This means for us, it is the worstest place to take a trade. Just worstest place to take a trade, because potential risk reward is not clear. There is no clear direction, up or down. Because of that, what's my plan for BTC is that I shared for our community. Still, I wait if BTC would do something like this. If Bitcoin would reach low of a range, would take this low of a range. Honestly, here would be best place to take a long trade. I shared with our community exactly this key level, 87. But honestly, price can make a little bit. It's not so accurate level because there could be situations that price could drop a little bit lower. We still will need local confirmation to take a trade. But this would be my dream plan to take long on BTC. Some drop below 87, and here some liquidity accumulation to take long trade. Because right now quite a lot of people buy BTC after such a significant liquidation. Second option would be if Bitcoin, instead of any movement, would start and create a range. Example for you, like it was here. Let me. Example here. Imagine a situation, Bitcoin right now create a range. Here inside create a range with clear absorption, especially at low. Only such range for at least 4, 5, 7 days, better 7 days, would be potentially good place to take long with taking all these highs. Because after such liquidation that had happened here, it would be really nice if BTC would go up and take all these highs. Because honestly, here I thought that BTC would make significant bigger drop, because I thought that this drop would be into this key zone, 80, 85, and from this area there could be some rise. That's why once more summary for you. Or BTC create a range, we take long at range low, or BTC simply dropping without creating any value, and here would be the best key zone to take long. About short, honestly, we missed short because what I waited, when price reached this key area, I thought there would be at least some range to take a trade, because in most cases, when price reaches a significant area, as it was here, they consolidate, for example, like they did here. And when they consolidate, honestly, it's you have more time for decision, because when they reach some key zone at midnight, my time, it's nearly impossible to take a trade. Your questions regarding Bitcoin. Do you use Axo? No, I use Atas. For crypto market, honestly, I use TradingView and Valor only. For CME, scalping, I use Atas only. Even this trade yesterday, you can see on ES500, I took on CME, I used Atas. Because honestly, you don't need Atas to trade crypto, because strategies that we use on crypto is different than we use on CME. For CME, definitely you need some significant tool. Okay. About XRP, we will cover it soon. Friends, once more, you ask your questions regarding BTC. and we will go to other coins. It seems Bitcoin sucked the money from outside on this bottom. I think it was exactly opposite. Most of retails didn't hold a significant part of position on BTC. Because of that, there wasn't significant drop. There was no one who they could liquidate. It was exactly opposite on altcoins, because on Ethereum, why Ethereum did this massive drop? Let's open Ethereum. Why Ethereum did such massive drop? Because there was massive trapped buyers. If you open this open interest, this volume and delta, it's obvious that some people, significant people, were liquidated here. And because of that, there was such significant move. How such significant movement down creates? It creates really simple. For a start, market makers, they build short position inside of a range. And for a start, they start moving price by themselves, as it was here. You can see slightly negative delta with increased volume. And sooner or later, retails that build long position inside of this range, they forced to get out. And when they forced to get out, they sell into a bottom. Because of that, order book move price even lower. And because of that, there was such massive liquidation on Ethereum, because there were so many retails that were in a long position and they got liquidated. That's why liquidation on Ethereum this time bigger than on BTC. And honestly, from my point of view, it's a bottom. I woke up at 4 a.m. I woke up at 4 a.m. It was exactly here. This moment, I receive alerts because I sleep with my watch to see my recovery, heart beating, all that stuff. And what I saw when I wrote here at 4:30 a.m. my time that it is, I think we are at the bottom. After such liquidation, price do only two things: big range for reversal or uptrend. My bet it is uptrend. And it was exactly where it was 4 a.m. It was exactly here. You can see up only. That's why drop on Ethereum were much bigger than on BTC. Let me reply on a few questions regarding BTC. And after that, let's go to Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, Sui, and other few coins. Do you actively trade CME assets? Honestly, yes. Yes, I scalp CME. To summarize, Yuri, you work with Bybit. I work for a separate tier 2, but very well established. Hardly any end user will have exchange link, like we can. These entities like Bitcoin can max out commission split. Last attack was on Ethereum, not on BTC. Yes, it was on Ethereum because I think it was a bottom on Ethereum. We will cover it. Post FTX, most entities should have exchange partners. We also know KYC VPN friendly. Tom, stop this because I'm not interested. When trading BTC, do you treat CME futures at around 500K versus contract as a large player, smart money, and small traders on Binance, etc., as a dump money to be liquidated? Yeah. Honestly, even wise money also could be liquidated because Katie Wood, for example, with their ARK investment, they were liquidated several times. They several times sold their coins into bottom. For me, the most important to see where buyers, and I don't care what type of buyers got liquidated because it's a fact, and I trade it into both directions. Yuri, what confluence do you use when you take a trade? It will be at the second. Okay, I see no questions regarding BTC. Well, let's go to Ethereum. About such questions, we will reply at the second part of the stream. Okay, about BTC, once more summary for you. Reach this key zone, take long. Range at range low, take long. Only potential short at previous day high if here there would be some absorption, only here. That's it. Also short possible if BTC would start rising straight without any consolidation at previous weekly high or previous month high. Only at those levels we can consider any short. About Ethereum, I think such massive liquidation, it was a bottom on Ethereum. Why I think so? Because every time after such massive liquidations, it was a bottom. You can see previous such massive liquidation was in the summer. You can see also massive volume spike, a big drop of open interest, big absorption on a spot. And what Ethereum did, range, and after that up only. Beautiful rise from 2,200 to 4,000. Really beautiful rise. What about right now? This liquidation even bigger than it was in August 2024. In some cases, after significant liquidations, the most important question, how price would do rise. In some cases, they do rise through range. They create such significant range, and only after they do rise. Even here, local liquidation, range, rise. Even here, local liquidation, range, rise. Here, liquidation, rise without any pullback. In some cases, after such significant liquidity grab, you can see they do not do any range, they do rise only. Here, rise through range, and here also rise through range. That's why right now, I think current situation looks like more like we had here. Like we had this massive liquidation. After that, price created a range, and range low was a perfect opportunity to take long trade. There was only one situation in the history when after significant liquidation, there was no range. And of course, it was in March 20, it was COVID liquidation. Let me show it to you on BTC, how it looked like. Bitcoin, 3-day, it was this one. In some cases, you can see price after such massive liquidation rise only without any pullback, just up, up, and up. Honestly, this one is harder to trade because if BTC would create a range, it would be, we will have way more time to build a position. That's why what's my plans at this moment for Ethereum? My dream plan, of course, if price would make some pullback and would create some range, and that range low would be best opportunity to take long. It also would be the best opportunity to build position on a spot market, because if some of you have position on would like to build position on a spot market, that would be a time. But the most important question, will it happen? Because 80% of the time, price create range, but in 20% of the time, price move without a range. Write your thoughts, how this would be, how it would be this time. Write R, it means rise through range, or write up, it is rise without any range. A key level for me, what would be my key levels where it would be the best to build position? It is the best one. It is key level 2,278. If price would retest this key area, it would be the best place to take long trade and also build spot position. If price reaches this area, buy spot, build position, and keep it really long. Because In that cases, it would be possible to hold your position until first target, it is point of control of this entire range. And second target, it is to take high of this, all this entire range. And honestly, even higher. Okay, we have range. Via range. Okay, let's go to, that's why what plan for Ethereum. We take long if price reaches the key zone. All other stuff, it's only for scalping and local ideas. Because there also could be a local idea. If price would reach value area low, it's possible to take long trade, to take range high. But it is only local idea, and I will share it within our community. Let's go to other plans. It is a plans on repo. What was my original plan on repo that I shared? Let's discuss repo. First, 28th of January, I shared the short plan with our community to take short on repo. Some of our community members took really beautiful trades. I did few mistakes. Honestly, I closed my short too early. I want to be honest with you. But some of my community students, they took such beautiful short on repo. What was the main reason why we shared such plan for short? First, repo, main reason why repo did such significant drop, it was price did too big pump. Repo pumped. Let me take it out. Path. Where is path? Look at this. Before this massive drop, Ripple were at so high. Plus, guys from Ripple met Trump here. When you see such positive news after such significant rise and price show no reaction, in most cases it's a top. I know that some people would tell you that yes, because they met Trump, maybe there would be ETF. Bullshit. It is a top. They create liquidity for exit. And when they create liquidity for exit, you don't need to be that liquidity. And because of that, I shared this plan from this point of control to take short. You can see price retested point of control. We had two goals. I shared two goals, 240. You can see why I shared 240, because it was exactly point of control of this entire range. And second goal was to take this range low. You can see price even took this range low. Plus, pay attention, when Ripple did that massive liquidation, did the drop, massive liquidation occurred. You can see this super big negative delta. When we open at least 1 hour, you can see delta on 1 hour were minus 260 million. Second candle, minus 177 million. If we open at least 2 hour, let's combine it. Minus 400 million. What this means? A lot of retails got liquidated. People who built long position at top on repo, they got liquidated here after 40% drop. And that's example for you why you never trust the news in trading. Never. Never trust the news in trading. What about what do we plan the next on repo? Let me show to you our plans that I publish within our community. I'm here. My PC internet restarted. Okay, what's my Ripple plans that I shared within our community? First, why is it Sui? First, Ripple. Honestly, I would be super happy to take long in a case of retest this key zone. Like I have at this moment 2 plans. I would take long if Ripple would retest 191. It is exactly this place where most of this liquidation had happened, and in some cases price tested. It is the best place to take long. Also, it is a good place to take long on a spot market. Yes, this plan is still active. And second plan that I have on Ripple, also I shared within our community yesterday, you can see it. It is my second plan to take short if Ripple right now would do rise into 289 area and create some bull trap here. It would be possible to take short. That's why 2 plans. At this level, we take long if price tested. Here, we take short if price reach it. 181, even a good place to take it on a spot. You can right now, before that, even set buy limit order, for example, at 198, because big chance that there would be at least rise into this key zone if price reach it. Nine. Okay, let's go to other coins. Let's go to Sui. What about Sui? About Sui, I remember when I shared this plan, you can see this one. Monday, 27th of January, I shared this plan within our community that I expect bigger drop on Sui to take this significant imbalance. Do you see this imbalance? I shared before the drop had happened. Price did pull back, and after that, this massive drop. You can see that Sui played out that plan even better than I expected. Where is it? Sui. Here, Sui, plan go on. In the end, Sui took this imbalance, you can see. Beautiful imbalance. Why Sui did it? Because first on Sui there was structure change. And when I shared this plan, price already broke all of this up channel. And there were a lot of liquidity that could be taken here. That's the reason why I shared this plan to make a bigger drop. Sui, you can see after pullback. You can see even 421, nearly the same level as I mentioned, 420 played out as a key resistance and price drop into this key zone. What could be the next on Sui? Honestly, on Sui, the same as on Ripple. If that would be deep retest to keys on 262, it would be a good place to take long. 262, good place to take long. Okay, why is it Sui? Let me open Sui. Right now we have honestly same plans on Sui, nearly the same as on Ripple. If price would reach high at this moment 380, and there would be some bull trap here, it is a good to consider short because price already did super big rise without any pullback. Best of the best area to take long, it would be 263. It is just best of the best. Share with me, do you like plans which I shared with you on Ripple and Sui? Push like also. And let's go to other. And let's go to other plans. Before we go to other plans, I would like, my friends, invite you to join our community. You can see that on daily basis we share such beautiful plans where to take trades and you also can receive such updates on daily basis. What you do, that would be get access to our private traders club. You open this link, that would be such beautiful form where you write your name, email, phone number, choose your country. For example, you're from Angola. After that, you write your phone number and join to get such planned signals and updates on daily basis that will help you understand where to take trades and make money. Let's go to other coins. Before, I just want to show to you how such plans can help you in the future. You can see that quite a lot of people, when we share clear plans, quite a lot of people take really beautiful trades. Sometimes I don't tell you that my plans work 100% all the time. We have win rate 60, 70. In best days, we have 80%, but it is never 100%. You just need to know it. But when we share plans, we always share situations where people can take really beautiful trades and make really significant profit. In areas where we share trades, your profit could be in many times bigger than a risk. That's why what you do right now, example for your father feedback. Another example for you, we shared a plan, person took short. I can show to you these feedbacks, so many. I can show to you so many of such feedbacks. And I hope soon you will share such feedbacks with us. What you do, once more, open that form, fill it, and join us, and let's make money together. Let's do also Solana. Let me finish Solana, and after that, I will talk to you. I will reply to some of your questions. About Solana, also within our community, you can see this trading plan. What was Solana plan? Solana. Here, Solana, you can see it was Monday, 27th of January. New short is possible only in case of consolidation. You can see key level for short was 240. What Solana did after? Solana did this consolidation, 240, beautiful drop. What about right now? Right now, for Solana, we have only next options. First, for long, honestly, the best would be if price would do lower low, at least into 160 area. For example, price drop, consolidate here, and that range we use as opportunity to take long. It is the best place to long, around 160. It is just best of the best, because it would be a low of all of this massive pump, and also it would be also this important low. That's why if price reaches this area, create a bear trap, it's just best place to take long. Best place at this moment to take short, it is around previous value area low. It would be exactly this moment, exactly this price, around 225. If Solana reach this area, create bull trap, here it would be good to take short with a target to take this local lows. That's why if I would summarize, what would be my plan? First, my plan would be here, I would look for short with approximately such stop loss take profit. If price would start rise without any pullback, create bull trap, it would be my plan for short. And in a case if price start dropping without any consolidation, anything like that, here I would look for long with such stop loss and take profit. Okay, at this moment, share your thoughts about plans that I shared with you regarding all these coins. And after that, I will reply to some of your questions. While you, from 1 to 10, rate how How do you like our update? Also, yes, I will do Dogecoin. Dogecoin that would be Tommy. I remember this. Uh, about Trump coin. About Trump coin also. While you reply to me, everything looks like finally there could be a bottom on Trump coin. Honestly, we missed at this moment good opportunity for a trade. Why at this moment Trump coin could be really interesting? Because first, Trump coin did really massive drop. At this low, there was massive liquidation. Trump coin also started to create this value. It's really sad that good place to take long was here at 1663. In somehow, if there somehow would be retest of this value area low, it is a good place to take long around 6063. That could be only second opportunity for a long if price at this moment, this value area high, consolidate here for at least 2, 3, better 4 days. And that range low also could be possible to use as opportunity to take long. Maximum target, it would be previous month low on this coin. Yes, I know many of you at this moment could tell me, Yuri, you told us many times it is a shit coin. And I still believe it is a shit coin. But it is a shit coin with how much? 4 billion daily volume. It is a shit coin, you can see, with 4 billion daily volume. Trump coin has bigger daily volume than SUI. That's why for me it doesn't matter. Is it a shit coin or is not a shit coin? It is it is what it is. That's why once more, or retest value area low, or new range, new value, we take low. By the way, I recommended the club first month. It returned my 20% of investment for the club and education. It's a living community of a trader. It's fun. Again, thank you, friends. Follow his advice, and in the description there was once more there would be this form. Let me also send into a comments this form. Just go and join. And also for most of you, I recommend you to take education, because main problem, most of the people come into our community and they only ask for signals, but I cannot be at computer 24/7. I also have my highs and lows. Those people who also come to community and take education, they also can take such beautiful trades. Have a look on this student. Every plan, have a look. Within our community, we shared a plan to take short on Solana. He took it. We shared a plan to take short on Ripple. He also took it. And we share short plan on Sui, and he also took it. But, my friends, you need also to go through education, because without understanding our tools, it would be difficult to take it by yourself. That's why, once more, fill the form. About monthly price, Santa, we have different options. Fill the form, speak with my team, because we have personal education, we have club only. It depends what you're looking for. Fill the form, my team will help you. Okay, let me. Is there any giveaway for membership? Yes, we do give away for membership. We do such live streams where I share for you clear plans where to take trades with clear stop losses. That's our giveaway for you for free. Let's do Dogecoin, and after that, let's do Dogecoin. Let's also do Bitcoin dominance, and after that, I will reply to 5 of your questions. At this moment, you write in the comments your questions, and I will choose 5 of them and reply on them. About Dogecoin, as many other coins, there was a massive volume spike. I remember when I recorded a video and about Dogecoin here to tell people that it is a time to get out from Dogecoin. I remember how many people laugh at me because Elon Musk announced here Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, and it was exactly at top of a market. At this moment, Dogecoin is minus 51% from its top. What about right now? Dogecoin finally covered most of its pump. You can see that nearly every imbalance at this moment covered. That's good, actually. You can see this imbalance actually covered. Also, it would be good if at this moment price do some consolidation around 20 cents, and only at that area it would be possible to take long. First target of that low would be it would be even possible to retest point of control of this entire range. We have this range and we have second range. We have this lower point of control. That's why what would be our strategy? If Dogecoin deliver entry, for example, Dogecoin drops, consolidate, at that range low we take long. First target would be point of control at 0.32. And second, it would be this high volume node at high 0.38. Everything above it would be just a present really good for us. It would be a gift. Yes, maybe they would take higher high. It's possible, but I would close really part here and part here to be completely risk-free. Where do you draw your VP and why? Let's discuss a few words about Bitcoin dominance, and after that. About Bitcoin dominance, finally, I think it is, we had a local top. I think it was a top on BTC because we had this massive acceleration and big liquidation on Bitcoin dominance. Because a lot of altcoins did massive liquidation, and I don't think soon we will see such massive liquidation. Such liquidation appears once, twice per year, sometimes once per 2 years. That's why at this moment I think Bitcoin dominance would go down. And how deep depends on how altcoins would, what altcoins would do. But after such liquidation, I think Ethereum can make significant rise, and many other coins also. That's why about BTC dominance, I think it was a top at least this quarter. It is definitely top of this quarter, or it could be even high of a year. You can see in 2025 that this could be even high of a year. Because most of the people do not expect any rise on altcoins, and for BTC to drop into this area, for many altcoins, it would be a really good place to start a rise. Okay, let me reply to some of your questions. I ask you at this moment only to push like and follow me on YouTube to receive more such analysis in the future that will help you understand the market. Given the current political climate and recent news from Bank of Japan, do you believe that we are on the verge of an alt season, or does this significant drop indicate that we are entering a recession? First, after such significant liquidation, price always did two things: significant range or big rise. And it doesn't matter what news around. Even if we will come into a recession, there could be out season for 1-2 months, and after that just go down. Because if after such significant liquidations that we faced, there would be no out season, it would be a signal that market is dead. That market will, like, that no one needs this market. Because after such liquidation, you should remember that all of this liquidation were bought out. Have a look on Ethereum. This massive liquidation, someone absorbed all of this liquidation. When liquidation, you need to understand US Terra Luna. In what cases massive liquidation means that market is dead? It is when you face massive liquidation and you see something like this. Price close at low. This means dead. But when you see a big buyout, someone did this buyout and it was billions, and they did it for some reason, and that reason would be to move price up to make money on it. That's why my bet. What's my bet? Or we create a range and start rise, or we start rise from this moment without any pullback. That's my bet. On Ethereum, you just need to understand that this out season is different. There could be pump, for example, only on Ethereum, but most of altcoins would do nothing. You can see how this season is different. In 2021, Bitcoin stay in a range, Ethereum rise, and all altcoins would rise. This moment, it's completely different. That's why, bless you, thank you. Okay. Show Ethereum analysis, please. Again, man, you can watch. It is a live stream on YouTube. You can rewatch it. I don't have time. Within 5 minutes, I need to go. I need to reply on some of your questions, and I need to go. Also, I would like to discuss another topic: why you never need to trust the news on a crypto market. Remember when Trump coin. When there was Trump coin listed, there was so many news, there was so many hype. That's example for you when you need to get out. And here I remember I recorded a video, I shared for people many examples. The Trump coin would drop. I showed 2 plans, or higher high or drop from those prices. And most of the people didn't believe me. They thought I laughing at them. And in the end, Trump coin did this massive drop. You should understand that price move not because of your desire. Price move does not because someone told something for you. Price move because of money flow. If market makers build short position, they would move price down. There's always someone who must pay for the move. And the old saying, when you play cards, if you don't know who is the fool, you are the fool. That's why best time to take trades after big liquidation or after big trap. In all other cases, it would be impossible. How high Ethereum price can hit it in the future? Any guess? 4,000 or 5,000. Around 5K, it would be really good for Ethereum. Which altcoin are best for you? I already bought altcoins. I would not share it here. I would send it into our community. Can you explain concept of absorption in a simple way? Yes. We did masterclass within our community. Let me show to you. It was exactly where I sent the trade. We did a masterclass within our community about absorption. And I remember I sent a trade for them. Now, one moment, because I sent a really beautiful trade to our community and I gave to them. Where is the trade? Maybe it was this. It was here. It was this example of absorption. Okay, let's do this example of absorption. I did really big mistake here. Price of BTC reach important price of Ethereum reach important key area, and that was, you can see, rise of open interest and super big negative delta. Rise of open interest, big negative delta. Rise of open interest, big negative delta. It was exactly here. Plus volume was increased. And no result. What does this mean? It means that some people try to sell a lot of Ethereum. They try to sell it. They try to push price down, but from other side, with limit orders, some people were absorbing it. They built long positions. And buyers in this case were stronger because they absorbed all of this volume. And what had happened after that? They did significant rise. They did this beautiful rise. Here I did mistake because I chose to set too small stop loss. And you can see that Ethereum did this beautiful rise. And here it was exactly a news about Ethereum ETF approval, that there would be Ethereum ETF approval. That means 1 week before, someone started building long position, and they knew that there would be such news. That's it. That's example for you of significant absorption. Is it clear for you? If Bitcoin drops 87K to your plan, I'm scared to imagine where altcoins would be. Man, first, what I shared with you, it is a plan. It is maybe it won't happen. We just plan if that happens. Plus, if Bitcoin would drop, most of our altcoins can do simply retest these tails. If Bitcoin would make lower low, for example, Ripple can reach this 190 area. Like many of these coins can reach good areas if Bitcoin would make additional drop. That would be good for us. Okay, friends, I was happy to see all of you here. If you want to get updates from me on daily basis, if you want to get plans from me, if you want to get signals from me, if you want to get education from me, what you do, in the description to this video, there would be this link. You fill this form, write your email, write your name, and push join. After that, you will get such trading plans on daily basis where I share with you where I would like to take a trade, what I would like to do. Remember that the most important in crypto, it is not a lot. The most important to be accurate. Better to trade less at really the most important key areas than trade too much. That's why wait for really good areas, take good trades, and believe me, this is the way. This is the way. Bye.